Step into the world of affiliate marketing with your very own blog. Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about, something that fires you up. It could be sports, tech, fashion, or anything else under the sun. Next, pick a blogging platform. WordPress is a popular choice due to its versatility and user-friendly interface. Secure a unique domain name and a reliable hosting service. Now it's time to design your blog. Keep it clean, engaging, and make navigation a breeze. Populate your blog with quality content that provides value to your readers. Remember, your content is the king. To monetize, join affiliate programs that align with your niche. Promote their products or services in your posts, and earn a commission for every sale made through your blog. Track your performance, optimize, and keep evolving. Remember, patience is key in affiliate marketing. Dive in, the world of blogging awaits.